I don't know how to introduce it. We're talking about the shape of the Earth. I'm not going to call it flat Earth theory, because maybe it's a fact.
It's a fact.
Could be. Who knows?
So you can say that you believe.
I'm keeping an open mind. I think there's some fair arguments from the flat Earth theorists.
Are you kidding, right?
No.
No, of course. I don't believe in this. It's a bullshit for me.
Why?
Because it's a fact that the world, like the Earth, is round.
Why? But why is that a fact?
People was in other planets and they were filming our planet and it looks round.
But you weren't. So how do you know that? How do you know that footage wasn't edited?
Like, you mean that it's just fake?
Invented, yeah, fake.
Ah, okay. No, I believe in this. We have a telescope, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We can see other planets around the Earth, so we can see they're also round.
If you imagine you have the Earth like a flat disc, and then above that disc you have like round planets moving around above us. Those planets above the Earth being round don't prove that the Earth is round. It just proves that those planets above the Earth are round.
Okay. You also believe that turtles is keeping planet or no?
Hmm?
No, it's like big elephants or big turtles is keeping our world.
I've never heard of that.
Really?
The flat Earth is separate, I think, from this turtle elephant thing. Might be true, but anyway.
For me, it's difficult to believe in this because plenty of facts which are confirmed that Earth isn't flat for sure.
Like what?
It's not like perfect shape as a ball, as a basketball ball. It's more like potato.
What other facts have you got to prove that though?
The planets around us also is rounded.
The planets above us.
Yeah. Okay.
The planets above us are round.
Yeah. Okay. If you go like up or in some mountain, you see a horizon.
Yeah.
Why you don't see after horizon?
The disc. The Earth is accelerating upwards. As the Earth's moving up, that light is you can't see it. So the Earth's moving up, the light that you can see that would have come from past the horizon hits the ground before it reaches your eyes because the Earth is moving up.
Yeah.
Well, that's it. Well, basically, like that reason.
You say that you believe in this, or now you are playing the role that you want to be like believer, and I'm
just trying to keep an open mind.
Okay.
Okay. Carry on.
I didn't expect that you are going to try to prove that the flat is Earth. You know, the Earth is flat.
I just want to look at things from both sides of the coin, which coincidentally is the shape of the Earth.
The reason that it's rounded because
You didn't come prepared for this.
No, because I believe you prepared so many facts that it can be like proof that it's flat, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Ah man, I thought that we are going to discuss how people are stupid who believes in this theory, not about.
I'm not about that. I'm not about that life.
For me, the two of these facts that first of all, you see a horizon. Second, there you have some photos from the space, from satellites.
Could be potentially fake though. I know how to use Photoshop. I could create a picture of Vasyl on the International Space Station and make it look real.
No,
you've never been there though.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but
so that doesn't prove that the Earth's round.
Okay, so you mean that you believe that Earth is like this, right? And here people lives and here people lives.
No, the Earth, as we know it, is a disc shape. Imagine like a frisbee. In the middle, you have the North Pole.
Okay.
Around the outside, you have Antarctica.
Okay.
And then on the edge of Antarctica, around that outside, is a huge ice wall which contains all the oceans. So past the ice wall is essentially you fall off the Earth.
Imagine that you are starting here.
Okay.
You go here, here,
Yeah.
and you again, I don't know, finish here
Okay, so
in Spain. So you're going from Spain to Spain.
yeah,
but from
right.
different-
I understand. I understand what you're saying. Right. So you've got the Earth, which is shaped like a disc.
Okay.
Antarctica coming around the outside. When people think that they have gone round a sphere, what they've actually done is start here and they've gone round a circle and they come back to the same place. If we have the North Pole in the centre and the Antarctic going around the outside, you're still following that line between Antarctic and between the North Pole as you follow this route that you've just shown me from one side to the other.
Okay.
From one side back to your original starting point.
Yeah. Okay. Now I also believe in flat Earth.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
And then, yeah, well, I don't know what we're going to talk about now if we both agree.
Okay. First of all, I understand why people believe in this theory. For me, theory it's really completely bullshit. I more can believe in this Illuminati or Mason theory that flat is the Earth is flat. I mean, I just didn't expect that we are going to have a argument about this. So this for me it's also new.
Got to be ready to debate.
I mean, this is not a debate.
It is.
Yeah.
What is it then?
Podcast.
I mean, it's a debate on a podcast.
I was expecting that we're just going to say something bad about people who believe in this theory. It's difficult to prove these facts which are really already 1,000 times proved. In general, I think people just like to believe in some stuff like this. Always. People always will be believing in something which not exist.
I think there are some people that are really, really prone to believing in conspiracy theories. They start to go down a rabbit hole of conspiracy theories, and then they start to question everything. And I think when people get into that frame of mind, they're prepared to believe anything.
Yeah, and also maybe for them it's easier to live like this, to know that maybe we live in some matrix, not everything not real. And after all this your investigation in these forums and all this stuff, it made you to believe a little bit in this theory.
No, but what it made me want to do is talk to flat Earth people. So, flat Earth theory is not the only conspiracy theory.
Yeah, there are plenty of them. I mean, I think after you start believing in flat Earth theory, it's really easy to believe in everything.
Anything's fair game.
Yeah.
Okay, so you said you had some theories.
Yeah. King Charles is a vampire. Queen Elizabeth is a man, was a man. The theory is that she died, when she was young. People realize that, okay, if she died, they cannot keep going royal, continue royal stuff.
Well, what do you mean they couldn't continue royal stuff?
No, because she had to be a queen, no?
Well, it could have been another member of the royal family.
Really?
There's a line of succession.
Yeah, maybe as it was written like this. She died, they didn't know what to do, and they just replaced her by a man.
Okay, so why do they think she died?
I don't know.
Have you done any research into these, or have you just...
No, because they just believe that she died.
Yeah, but why? Why do they think she died? Was there an event that was dangerous that could have, or did she have an illness, or?
No, because people believe that before and after she looked really different.
Before and after what?
In some point she started looking different.
When she got older, she matured as a woman. Vasyl, you gotta come more prepared, bro. Right, are there any of these that you know anything about?
Maybe you have some ideas.
You got A there.
I mean the moon, because I don't know. Let
me have a look at those.
I've just read the.
Oh, this myself. Dinosaurs help build the pyramids.
I mean, I thought that it's going to be easier to look for this. I was looking for something, but it wasn't really a lot of info.
Yeah, but to have a meaningful discussion, we need to actually know something about the things that would.
Okay, I need to read something.
Vasyl needs to do what he was supposed to do before the episode.
But
now.
okay.
People being in the moon. Right, this is the flat Earth smoothie.
Why flat Earth?
because it's only made out of things that are not round, which is difficult with a smoothie because most fruits are round. So it's got banana in. Banana's round kind of, but it's also long. So we didn't count that as a round fruit. When we say round fruits, we mean like oranges, apples, really round, spherical. So this is the flat earth smoothie and it has banana, a block of chocolate, that's flat. Got some leaves in it, like lettuce and stuff.
Ice.
And protein powder for the gains. Sweet, right. You've not tried it yet.
Yeah.
I've already tried it and I think it's delicious.
Okay, let's go.
What do you think?
It is.
Do you like it?
Oof. It's so nice. This is so nice and sweet.
Well, apart from the chocolate, it's healthy. Maybe this is what I'll have for breakfast in the future. I think that some parts of it are starting to float to the top.
It's so big. It's so heavy, man. What the fuck?
Be careful. I don't want this to spill.
It shouldn't be like, looks like it's made in some special studio. Like,
This is a special studio.
yeah, okay, it's special studio, but still.
That doesn't prove that the Earth is round. I'm not going to do this if you don't take me I'm not going to have this conversation if you don't take me seriously, Vasyl.
It's difficult to take serious.